So, Stacey asked, are all builder gels soak off? And is builder gel a porous or non-porous product?
Can we just specify that Erin calls builder in a bottle builder gel?
Yeah, sorry.
Because because why your clients don't know.
Because clients don't know what biab is. They don't even know how to say it.
It's a made-up word. There's no
Yeah,
way to say it.
Yeah, okay, so I call it builder gel.
Yeah, whereas the reason I want to clarify that is because builder gel, like hard gel is builder gel.
Yeah.
And I would call builder gel hard gel in a pot. I would call that builder gel.
Yeah.
And then this is builder in a bottle. So let's just say, whenever Erin says builder gel, unless she specifies hard gel in a pot, she's meaning biab.
Yeah. Any buildable gel is a builder gel.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, that's my default, but So, to repeat Stacey's question, are all biab soak off, and is biab a porous or non-porous product?
Yeah, so, I like that question.
Mm-hmm.
The general rule is the faster the soak off, the more porous the product, and non-soak off products, generally they're the thing closest to non-porous. There's not really any such thing as a non-porous product at all. Like non-porous is like stainless steel. So like hard gel that is non-soak off, the reason it's non-soak off is because it is so tightly bound, aka non-porous, that the remover can't get in between the molecules to separate them. So
it has low porosity.
Yes.
Whereas a builder in a bottle has high porosity.
Yeah. And the closer to the A end, the porositier they are. Yeah, the more porous they are.
The more porous they are. Yeah.
And so the faster they soak off.
Mm-hmm. So are all builder gels soak off then?
Depends on your definition, really, because
like in real life salon, are you going to be soaking off every single builder gel you could possibly use?
Builder in a bottle?
Yes, apologies. Yes, builder in a bottle. Biab.
Well, I mean, you can soak off it. Builder in a bottle, by definition, should be a soak-off product, but in practice, they are not all soak-off products.
Some are almost like a hard gel,
almost like a hard gel
hybrid.
So, are all biab soak-off? No. There are, especially clear ones, are often so tightly bound, which gives you good strength, that they are very difficult to soak off. So, but that doesn't, they're not necessarily hard gels, but a clear that I'm thinking of specifically, that we've both played with, when you wrap it up to soak off, it is easily 3 times longer soak off than the colours of the same brand. So I don't soak it off. Like I tell a client that wants to try it that I might think that it works best for this client, I'm like, you need to be aware that this doesn't soak off.
I've actually tried 2 different brands with clears that soak off like a hard gel might.
But then clear correction gel soaks off.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
So it is a lot to do with AM versus BM as well though. But so are they all soak off? No. And are they porous or non-porous? It depends where on the A to B scale they fall. So the thinner, slightly weaker, more flexible, great adhesion, probably no primer or base coat, they are all very porous and very easily soaked off. And then the more viscous, stronger, definitely has a primer or a base coat. They are less porous and harder to soak off.
Yeah, pros and cons of both. And to put it in real life, because we're making the clear, high porosity, low porosity, the ones that are hard to soak off, we're making them sound like they suck. But if we're ever going to do an extension, I'm going to be using clear.
They have a purpose, but in the terms of soak off or in removal, they suck. But you're not doing an extension to just soak it off next time, because extensions with biab are kind of harder than a lot of the other extension options, fussier to do. So if I'm going to extend with biab, which to be fair, I don't really do very often.
No.
You guys will see why later in the course. We're both the same.
Yeah.
But if I'm going to do an extension, I'm not doing it to soak it off next time. Like, no, you're keeping that.
But you say,
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think.
Yeah, that covers it. Hope that answers your question, Stacey. Thank you for letting us talk chemistry.
Yeah,
More of it.